Get a puppy. We're getting a puppy. Yes, we are. Hey guys, this vlog's like all over the place.
Happy 4th of July.
4th of July. We're not really doing 4th of July things, and we have to work. But
I mean, I'm dressed. I got my red.
Yeah, absolutely white. We're a little bit festive. Yeah.
It is like 8 a.m. right now on a holiday. You're probably wondering why are we up so early on a holiday, but we are going to see.
Get a puppy.
We're getting a puppy. Yes, we are. Well, not really, but our friend is getting a puppy, and we're going to be the aunties. And he really wants a puppy. He's been talking about it for so long, and he's finally getting a chocolate lab, which is so cool and everything. They're so cute.
I know.
So he's gonna go and put the deposit down now with the breeder, and then we're just gonna go. He's gonna pick one out. So he wants a boy. So
we're gonna go see him.
And we're the aunties.
Yeah, we're so excited. Y'all know how our deal with dogs. How we're not really dog people, but we love
we're
small
dog people.
dogs.
We like dogs, but we're just scared of them. So this should be interesting to see.
Yeah, we're not scared of small dogs and puppies. So,
but labs get really big. So.
Yeah, so I like the fact that we're gonna, you know, kind of be with the puppies. Since he's a puppy, then as he gets older.
I'm excited to see how we are going to be, because we're going to be like close with this dog. So when it gets bigger,
yeah, that's what I'm saying. When
like
it gets
how we
bigger,
interact with it and stuff, because we don't really interact with dogs anyway, but interacting with big dogs, and Labradors are really docile and calm. And
yeah, they're really gentle dogs.
Yeah,
they aren't rowdy or anything. So, you know, I'm glad he's getting a lab. You know, so I think he was getting a Doberman. He was going to get a Doberman, and I'm not sure how Dobermans are. Comment below if y'all have a lab or a Doberman.
Yeah,
yeah. So we're super excited because it's so cute. We've been liking pictures on Instagram of labs, of lab
following all these accounts and stuff.
And they're so cute, and I'm so excited. I've never been excited about a puppy or a dog before.
I know.
Who would have thought? Like, our parents are going to be like,
I know,
and stuff. But yeah, ever since we moved out and stuff, we've been, you know, kind of testing the waters with dogs and stuff. So I think we're getting better. We will get better. So yeah, we're gonna pick him up now, and now we're gonna go see the doggy.
You barking, buddy? No more?
Oh, look, it's good with you.
Yeah, he responds to
Yeah,
him.
you got the connection there.
Oh.
No more with you, Popo?
Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Ebony. I know, I'm just chilling in the car right now. I'm just sitting in the AC because it's so hot out there, and I'm dreading going out there. But anyway, today is Thursday, July 5th. We're trying to get better with our vlogging game because we're terrible people when it comes to that. So sorry, y'all. I know you guys love our vlogs, and we're just so sporadic with it, but we're trying to be consistent and everything, so just bear with us. I'm out here at Joann's. I'm gonna go in real quick because I need something for my hair. It's actually for a hair video. It is not a DIY video, but it's for a hair video. I saw it online. It said it was in the store, so they should have it. Then I gotta get the car back to Erica because she does have to go to work later on. But anyway, you guys, did you see the puppy? Did you see that clip? Oh my goodness, that puppy's so cute. Now I want one. It is so adorable. Our friend finally found his baby boy, his little furry son. And it was so crazy because the minute he picked it up, not even the minute, the second he picked up the puppy, he already knew. Like, you have to have that connection with the puppy before you decide to take one home. So he picked up that puppy, and that puppy just like, and you heard it in the video, we were like, oh my god, it's an instant connection, all that stuff. Like, all the other puppies were squirming around and kind of squealing a little bit, and that puppy was just so calm. And he didn't want to hold any other puppy either, so that's his puppy. He's gonna go back, we're gonna go back with him in August to go pick the puppy up because the puppy's too young to go home with anyone. So he finally got his little puppy boy, and then we got our little puppy nephew. Let me go so I can get this car back to Erica so she won't flip out. There is a lot of people out today. It works.
Hey, y'all, they didn't have it. That always happens to me where it says it's in the store online. Well, online they say it is in the store, then I go in the store and it's not there. So, oh well. Maybe I can try Amazon and see if I can find it. Hi guys! Today is Monday. I know you're all like, oh, I'm seeing double. Why are we dressed alike?
Oh, we like double mint twins.
I know we do. The double mint twin colors too. Yeah, we're going to an audition today, and they need twins, and they want us to dress alike. You guys remember from our haul when we got this? We didn't buy these on purpose together at the same time. It was an accident, and we realized we bought the same shirt.
So it kind of, you know, worked out because we never really buy the same thing.
I know.
But first, before we go on this audition, we're about to do a very important unboxing, by the way. Just sit down. But guys, this is very important unboxing. No, it's not important. Actually, it is. We're going to a BeautyCon. We'll be there this Saturday.
We're in the LA area. We're going to BeautyCon.
Yeah, let us know.
We'll be there walking around.
We got our
We're not like a
wristbands.
future creator or anything.
Oh yeah, but we just want to, if you guys are, I don't know how many of y'all live in LA. A lot of y'all live out east. But I think some people live in LA, but if you're going to BeautyCon, we'll be there, so
Yeah.
you'll get to see us. But yeah, it's cool because BeautyCon, when you buy your tickets online, they send you this cute little box that it comes in, and then you just,
It comes over
like this.
And what's inside is the wristband that you get. You gotta use this wristband to get in. And
I thought that was pretty cool. It's like Disney World.
yes. And then they give you a little sticker that says, you don't need lipstick, lipstick needs you. Can't really see that, but
Yeah, typical beauty stuff. We've never been to BeautyCon. We've been to VidCon. We've been to Gen Beauty. BeautyCon was one of the list of places we want to go as far as YouTube conferences or get-togethers and stuff. So we'll definitely see our favorite creators. We actually ran into Amber Scholl the other night. I don't know if you guys know who she is, but she's really big in the YouTube beauty community.
she's really
And
nice.
she's so nice and down to earth. We were in the pet store and stuff and everything, and we ran into her. We're like, "Are you gonna be in be at BeautyCon?" She's like, "Yeah, okay, I'll see you there." So we'll see our favorite brands, favorite creators and stuff, and it's good to just walk around and get to know people and stuff and find out more about their channel, then find out what's new coming out with as far as makeup and hair and all that stuff.
Yeah. And also we got this little patch here that says BeautyCon. I think it is ironed on.
Did you get a 15% off card?
Yeah, I got a 15% off
Oh
card.
yeah, give us a 15% off card because I'm pretty sure booths will be set up for people to buy stuff. We're gonna head on out. It is so hot, you guys. Our AC went out last night.
So we're like
Last night we were dying. I know. I was sleeping in I was sleeping topless because I couldn't sleep with any clothes. So yeah, but it's back on, up and running, and now we're about to leave. Guys, so we finished our audition.
It was fun.
It went well. It was very fun.
It was good for our first time back in a while.
I know, guys, we haven't done this in forever. You know, we're not with an agent anymore, so this was self-submitted. It was like perfect for us. So we weren't rusty at all. I mean, maybe a little bit, but I thought it was pretty cool.
We're in and out. It was more like a personality thing, I feel like. And I feel like they got to see our personality through that audition. So
Yeah, because a lot of
I feel good about
auditions
it.
are either script-based or they'll ask you these random questions just to see your personality. And I think that's what it was and everything, so that was fun. I think I like those better.
Yeah,
than the-
definitely.
But, I mean, either way, but we are going to go, I think we're going to go back home. We do have to work today, but we're not going to go. We're in Hollywood right now, but I'm not going to go back home. We have our work clothes in the back. So instead of going to the valley, we're just going to stay in Hollywood and find something to do. I'll probably sit at Starbucks. I brought my laptop, so I'll probably sit at Starbucks and work. Did you bring anything? You're going to be bored.
I work at 4, so it doesn't matter.
I don't know what time I work. I think I'm at 5:30. I gotta check. But anyway, first we're gonna get some food and coffee because I'm kind of tired. But yeah, I'm kind of on high. I love that audition. That was so much fun. We'll find out next week if we get the call back. So send good energy, prayers, good vibes our way. We really appreciate it because it'll be something that will be really exciting to do. Book the commercial. Can you imagine that?
Hey guys, it's me, Erica, and I'm back from getting my hair done. It's been a minute. As most of y'all know, I did my hair about a week ago when I filmed the how I blow dry my hair without a blow dryer. If you haven't checked that video out, check it out below. We'll have it linked. But yeah, I did do my hair, and it didn't come out like this, but it came out pretty well for my first try in a while. So yeah, I went to Lisa, and she didn't use Kerastase. Well, she used one product from Kerastase, but the line that she used was the Chi line. And we'll have like the products listed below, but or listed on the screen somewhere. But she used the Chi products, and it made my hair feel so nice and silky smooth afterwards. I was really amazed when she was done. But yeah, so check that out because I don't know, it's been hot here in LA recently, and not only has it been hot, it's been humid, and I feel like this line is perfect for if you're living in like humid areas, like if you live in Florida or like
back home in Virginia and stuff like that, it gets super humid there. And yeah, it's a little bit humid here in LA, which is kind of rare, but like when I stepped outside, like my hair didn't frizz up or anything. So if you do have trouble with frizz and stuff like that, check out the Chi line, because that will definitely help, especially if you live in a humid area. Check that line out. She used the Chi Silk Infusion, I believe, and I don't know, I'll just have it below this product that she used, but my hair feels amazing. So yeah. And by the way, a lot of people have asked about Lisa's info. I'm going to start having it listed in the description box, but if you are in the LA area and you do want somebody to do your hair, need somebody to do your hair, you can email Lisa at hairbylisa. That her name, she spells her name L-E-S-I-A. So you do hairbylisa@gmail.com, and yeah, we'll start having it listed below, because I know a couple of people have asked about that. So yeah, hairbylisa@gmail.com. She's amazing. She does work out of a salon now. I don't know if we mentioned that, but she went back to a salon. It's in the Valley in Granada, Chatsworth, near Granada Hills, I believe. So yeah, if you're in that area, if you're willing to travel, check that out, or email her. And she's really good at getting back with people and stuff like that. So yes. So I think this is the end of the vlog, so I'm just gonna end it right here. I don't know how these clips are gonna be. They're gonna be kind of all over the place. We're trying to get ourselves together, our vlog life together. So please bear with us. We've been doing this for a while now, like trying to get it together, but we just won't have an inconsistent schedule. I'm just gonna put that out there. We don't really do, we do a lot, but it's just like, I don't know how to explain it. Yeah. It's just not consistent, but we really are trying, and so please bear with us. I know y'all love the vlogs, but we're gonna try to get back to a consistent schedule, but don't hold us to it, because we've been trying for a while. But anyway, thank you guys for watching our videos, and we love you guys still so much, and we'll see you next time, next Sunday. So talk to you later. Bye.